students, today we are going to see one of the most important concepts used in maths which will be helpful to you. So let's start with the video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe to us. So let's start with the video. First one is even numbers. Even numbers end with digit like 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Next one, odd numbers. Odd numbers. Odd numbers cannot be divided by 2. And the last digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Prime number. A prime number can be divided only by number itself and by 1. Example, 17 can be divided only by 17 and by 1. Composite numbers. A composite number can be divided by number itself and also by one of the following numbers. Example, 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7. Rational numbers. The fractions where the top and bottom numbers are integers. Integers have no fraction. Irrational numbers. An irrational number is a real number that cannot be written as a simple fraction. Example, pi. The value of pi is 3.14. Natural numbers. All counting numbers are called natural numbers. No negative number and no fractions. Numbers. Whole number starts from 0. Example 0, 1, 2, 3 and it goes on. Integer. An integer is a whole number, not a fractional number that can be positive, negative or 0. Example, -5, 1, 97, 0. Real number. Real number can be written as decimal. That is 2.3 or 5.3 like that. Ratio. Ratio is a comparison of two quantities having same units. Similar fraction. Fraction that has same or common denominator. Next is successor number. Successor number of any natural number. Just next natural number is called successor number of that number. Confusing, right? Let's move further. If 1 is added, we get the successor number. Simple thing. You have to take that number and you have to add just 1 to that number. Once you add 1 to that particular number, you will get successor number. So for example over here, successor number of 11 is 11 plus 1, that is 12. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment down below. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Predecessor number. Predecessor number of any natural number just before natural number is called predecessor number of that number. In any natural number, if 1 is subtracted, we get the predecessor number. Example, predecessor number of 20 is 20 minus 1, that is 19. Very good. So successor is next number and predecessor is previous number. This is very important over here. Now let's move further. Decimal number. A decimal number is a number which has a decimal point among the number, like 1.5, 6.3, 8.3, etc. Addition. Addition is a mathematical operation to combine two or more numbers. Example, 2 marbles and 3 marbles make 5 marbles. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Subtraction. Subtraction is a mathematical operation to determine the difference between two numbers. Example, subtract 3204 from 4000. So I am going to write like this, and then I have subtracted this number. From 4000, I am going to subtract 3204. So by subtracting this number, I am getting 796. It is a mathematical concept which indicates that how many times a number is added itself. Example, if 2 is added 4 times, then 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which equals to 8. This can be done by multiplication also. That is 2 into 4, which equals to 8. Division. Division is the method of finding how many times a given number, called the dividend. The number expressing this is called quotient, and the excess of dividend over the product of divisor, and the quotient is called remainder. Confused, right? Wait, I'm going to explain it in a simple manner. So, here they have given one example, 265 divided by 48. So, here 48 is the divisor and 265 is the dividend. So, we have to check whether this number 265 comes in 48 table. So, if you don't know how to make 48 table, then I have a very simple method which is like known to everyone. I am doing my rough work over here. So let's see if 265 number is coming in 48 table. So 48 ones are 48. So I don't know what is 48 twos are. So 48 into 2. 2 eights are 16. 2 fours are 8. Carry 1, that is 96. So 48 twos are 96. Now let's see what is 48 threes are. 48 threes are 24. Sorry. 3 eights are 24. 3 fours are 12. So, and this is 2. So it becomes 144. So 48 threes are 144. But I don't want 144. I want 265. Let's move further. 48 into 4. So same manner you have to do. 48 fours are 192. Now let's give it a try one more. So 48 fives are 240. Maybe I'll get this number, might not get this number. So I'm getting this number as 278. But I don't want 278, I want 265. So what I have to do is, I have to take lesser number. So lesser number is 240, which will comes 5 times. If I am removing 5 and 0, from 5 I am removing 0. That means I am not removing anything. So answer will come over here 5. From 6 I have to remove 4. So here it will come 2. And from 2 I need to remove 2. So here it will come 0. So here the remainder is, so here this 25 is a remainder, and this number which is above the dividend is called quotient. This is the last part of the video. Fraction. When a unit is divided into some number of equal parts, then each part is called fraction. A number of type P upon Q, where Q must not be equal to 0. This concept which we have seen is important right from 5th standard till 10th standard. So if you want to learn in a better manner, I'm recommending you to read all this concept every day. So it's better if you make one notebook specially for writing all this concept, so that whenever you are getting time, you will able to read all these concepts. As we know, practice makes a man perfect. So practice all these things every day.